Hey guys, Chi here and welcome back to my channel, Comfortably Chic 365. Today we have a live lip swatch video, and this is coming from a company called Mented Cosmetics. So if you want to see what I purchased, definitely keep it locked. So I know you're not about to watch this video without hitting that subscribe button. So do me the hugest favor and hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, you might as well hit the bell so you get all of my post notifications when I upload. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this box. So I stumbled upon Mented Cosmetics in 2017. As luck would have it, I ended up going to Afropunk Brooklyn with a couple of my homegirls, and who ended up being a vendor at that festival? Mented Cosmetics. So Mented Cosmetics is a Black-owned brand owned by two wonderful women. I got to meet them at Afropunk, and they were actually really sweet, phenomenal women. My friend and I actually ended up making it to their Instagram stories page. So yeah, I ended up buying 2 lipsticks, as well as my best friend, she ended up buying 2 lipsticks as well. And I couldn't get them out of my mind. I figured if I'm going to buy a bunch of lip glosses, this is the company that I wanted to go to. Absolutely love the story of how Mented Cosmetics actually came to be, and it's just such a relatable story. 2 girls sitting on the couch drinking a glass of wine after work, talking about cosmetics, and like, man, I wish there were lipsticks and lip glosses for us, for that really match our skin tones, and it is really refreshing to see. So let's get into the unboxing. So my package came in this box. I have my information covered up. And yeah, let's take a moment to really appreciate their packaging. Now my card says Happy Holidays because I did order this during the holidays. Don't judge me, okay? These are glosses for grown-ups. And since I am a grown-up, I found it very befitting that I would have these. Here is how one of their lipsticks looks. This will run you $15. However, if you buy the entire collection, which includes all 4 shades, you'll be spending $50. So you do get to save a couple of dollars if you get the whole collection. Each one of these lip glosses has 0.24 ounces in its container. So the first color I'm going to swatch is Mauve Over, and this is described as a soft pink. So this is one application. I didn't dip my stick back into the gloss. One application, it is very sheer. However, on the website they say this is buildable, so let's try to put a second layer on. Okay, this is 2 layers. I can see that the pigment is building up, but it's still pretty sheer, so I'm going to go in with a 3rd layer. Now, also, again, on the website, it does say you can layer this puppy up to 3 times. Definitely has a lot of shine to it. It is a high shine for sure. It's showing up pretty dead on to what is in the tube. So I'm actually kind of happy about that. Like, this is all right. Now, as far as stickiness, I don't feel any stickiness, so that's a plus. That's the main reason why I don't wear gloss. I don't like sticky glosses. It's not a bad taste, but it's something familiar, if that makes sense. It's very comfortable. It's glossy, it's glossy. Up next we have Sin Nudes, and this is described as a deep tan. I really like this color, and I haven't even built it up yet, but this is a beautiful everyday color. Like this, I like this. So let's pump it up a little. Second coat. And let's just do it up, guys. Let's just do it up. Let's do the third coat too. Yeah, this looks really, really nice. Definitely every day, you're not doing much with your makeup. You just want to throw a little something on and get out the door. This is gorgeous. Sin Nudes this is a beautiful color. I love this. I don't think I've ever realized that with my lipsticks, but the boxes have the corresponding colors. Look at that attention to detail. Oh my gosh. See, Mented, I see you. I see what you're doing. I like it. I like it. Next we have Berry Me, and of course this is a berry color. I noticed that on the doe foot applicators, you don't get much product. You have to really get up in there in order to get the product onto your applicator. That might actually determine how much pigment and product that you do get on your lips. It's a little deeper than the mauve over, but it's still cute. It's got that, it definitely has that berry, like, bit your lip, ooh, it hurts kind of appearance to it. So let's build this up. So here is the second coat, and let's just add our third coat. Out of the colors so far, this is probably my least favorite. This isn't my top. Like the other two, I'm just like, yeah. This one, I'm like, hey girl. But yeah, it's not a bad color though. Our final shade is called Baby Brown. This is the brown I've been waiting for. Okay, let's see. I see the pigmentation a tiny bit. So I'm gonna build it up. Keep on going. This is the second coat. And we're just gonna go ahead and add that third coat. Okay. So with this one, I see the color. I thought it would be a teeny bit darker brown. However, I'm not mad at it. I think this is a really pretty color. Like, you know, look. I had one strand hit and it just kind of fell off. Okay, Mented, okay. So for someone who doesn't wear gloss like myself, I think these are pretty good. The pigmentation is there. However, you definitely have to build it up. They're really targeting women of color. And at the end of the day, these are colors that I can actually gravitate towards, and it won't look, you know, a little cray-cray on it. I don't need a super light baby pink. I need something that will complement and enhance my lips. So would I repurchase these? Yes, I would. For someone who is a grown woman and you know, you don't want your lip gloss all the way popping, you know, you want to be popping, but you don't want like super gloss, okay, on your lips. I think it gives a nice sheen to the lips. The pigmentation is there. And I just love that, you know, these are two beautiful, well-educated women of color really starting their cosmetics line. I think it's a beautiful collection. I think they did a good job. I think they have way more in store. I definitely still want to get my hands on the lipsticks because the lipsticks have my heart. Those lipsticks I need those. So I mean, if you're interested, I mean, Mented, you know, I could be your unofficial official spokesperson. So that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite color. If you miss me in between videos, head over to my Instagram or Snapchat. I'll be on those platforms just so we can chop it up a bit. So So until next time, stay comfy guys. Bye.